Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting remedy which is called Strophanthus. This remedy belongs to Apocynaceae group of remedies. Apocynaceae is one of the famous remedy from this group, which we mostly use in dropsical condition. Strophanthus is described in great details in homeopathy literature. Strophanthus is also known as a tonic for aging heart. इसी लिहाज से इसको बुढ़ापे या बूढ़े लोगों में या जब उम्र बढ़ रही होती है ऐसी कंडीशंस में हार्ट वीक हो रहा होता है ऐसी कंडीशंस में always think of this remedy. It is famous for its action on the heart muscles. It is particularly used in cases of edema, which is linked with the weakness of heart. It's a tonic for aged people which are suffering from rigidity of the arteries. जैसा कि हम arteriosclerosis के patients में देखते हैं that they got this thickening of blood vessels in old age. This remedy restores tone of the weak tissues, especially of the heart muscles and valves. This remedy also work in valves of the heart, like it affects on mitral valve regurgitation. But keep in mind its main symptom, which is a dropsical condition, like edema, swollen condition, and breathlessness issues, which must be present in those patients. Strophanthus increases the contractile power of strip muscles, which are the heart muscles actually, by increasing the systole and diminishing the rapidity. It also tones the heart muscles and could help to reduce the dropsical condition. This remedy is more powerful diuretic than the digitalis. Most of the people prescribe digitalis in edema condition, but always think of Strophanthus in those cases when there is a edema or dropsical condition because of the weak heart. This remedy is often confused with the digitalis, which is also a great remedy for heart related issues. But Strophanthus has a predominantly effect on systolic nature of the heart, while digitalis has more a diastolic or a relaxation of the heart muscles. Generally, the essential symptom of digitalis is slow pulse, but Strophanthus has this rapid pulse. Digitalis में slow pulse होती है, दिल relax कर जाता है, but Strophanthus has this rapidness, तेज उसकी pulse होती है. Furthermore, Strophanthus is mainly a left-sided remedy, means its effect on the left ventricle. But Strophanthus has mostly tachycardia, means जैसे heartbeat तेज हो जाती है, but in digitalis we see slowness of the heart rate. इसके अलावा digitalis has this bluish kind of appearance of the face, but Strophanthus has this red scarlet like face. There is however a sensation of digitalis which require mention here. This is the sensation that the heart is going to stop its beating while making any movement, so the patient is forced to remain completely immobile. डिजिटालिस की एक बहुत ही अहम सिम्टम है जो मैं यहाँ मेंशन करूंगा कि इसके पेशेंट्स को लगता है कि अगर वो थोड़ी सी भी हरकत करेंगे देन उनकी हार्ट बंद हो जाएगा काम करना. So they lay down just completely still. Now let me give you a keynote of this remedy. If a person comes to your practice with flushed face, with the scarlet lips and a dropsical condition due to the weakness of heart, always think of this remedy. अगर कोई पेशेंट आपकी प्रैक्टिस में आता है जिसका चेहरा फूला हुआ है, सूजा हुआ है, कमजोर हार्ट है उसका और उसका चेहरा रेड है, scarlet है, उसके होंठ फूले हुए हैं, always think of this remedy. Mostly people use Crataegus for heart patient, but Crataegus is very mild in pathology, but Strophanthus has very advanced pathology. Another symptom of Strophanthus is its pulse is generally weak, rapid, and irregular, and its characteristic is unable circulation. The pulse is slow, rapid, pupils and of the eyes are contracted or dilated, and the patient experience dyspnea, breathlessness और chest में congestion महसूस होती है. Strophanthus patients with this rapidity of the pulse sometimes look like cratagus. I have made a separate video of cratagus. Please visit my channel to learn deeper about the cratagus, and don't forget to share my video with your loved ones. Now come back to the Strophanthus. Strophanthus restores the elasticity of the brittle blood vessels, and is therefore particularly indicated in the patient who have taken stimulants over a long period of time. This remedy is also famous for its action on weak heart due to long-term use of tobacco or excessive use of alcohol. ऐसे लोग जो टबैको पीने की वजह से, लॉन्ग टर्म किसी स्टिमुलेंट पीने की वजह से उनका दिल बड़ा हो जाए, या अल्कोहल पीने की वजह से उनके दिल बढ़ना शुरू हो जाए, ऐसे कंडीशन में इस रेमेडी को ज़रूर याद रखें. Another remedy which comes here in my mind is tobacco, which is also one of the best remedy in those cases. I have already spoken about tobacco. Those people who are interested in this topic, please watch my video. I have put a link in description. Murphy has quoted 3 cases from old literature where Strophanthus has used in a weak heart condition due to excessive use of alcohol. Interestingly, this remedy not only helped to elevate the heart condition, but also produce severe aversion to alcohol. Although I have never used this remedy for alcoholic addict patients, but as a practitioner, we must keep in mind this remedy for alcoholics or the people who are addicted to tobacco with the weak heart symptoms. Furthermore, this remedy has a very strong indication in those cases where there is a urticaria, rashes all over the body develop after the use of alcohol or beer. So in those cases जहाँ पे पूरी बॉडी में रैशेस पड़ जाएं और अल्कोहल या बियर पीने के बाद, ऐसी कंडीशंस में इस रेमेडी को ज़रूर ज़हन में रखें. इसी तरह Strophanthus is also indicated in as a homeopathy remedy in the cases of pneumonia where there is a level of exhaustion is very high as a result of post-operative bleedings. Strophanthus is also considered to be a very important remedy in the anemias, mean the blood deficiency, where there is a violent palpitation and breathlessness is present in the cases. Some patients can also get faint due to this blood deficiency. ऐसे cases जिनमें बहुत ज़्यादा palpitation हो, हार्ट की ब्लड डेफिशिएंसी के साथ हार्ट की बहुत ज़्यादा पल्पिटेशन हो, ड्रॉप्सिकल कंडीशन हो और ब्रेथलेसनेस हो, ऐसी कंडीशन में हम स्ट्रोफेंथस को भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा स्ट्रोफेंथस इज़ ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन कार्डियक एस्थमा और edema of the lungs or bronchial issues. This remedy has a very strange kind of headache. इसके patients में when they got this headache, they got this double vision with the vertigo, और then they also get this flushed face, चेहरा रेड हो जाता है, उनको डबल नजर आता है जिसमें उसको चक्कर भी आते हैं. This is a very strange peculiar symptom of this remedy. So always think when you find this combination of these 3 features, always think of this remedy. This remedy also helps to reduce the dropsical condition by increasing the urination. In cases where there is extremities are swollen or the patients with the dropsy or edema, you should always consider Strophanthus in those cases. Now let's talk about his potency. Mostly old masters has used this remedy in tincture format, but then there is a chance of aggravation. So always think of a safe side of this remedy potency, which is 3x, 6c or 12 or maximum 30. I never use this remedy above 30. 3x or lower potencies like 6c or 12 is quite a safe potency to prescribe for your patients. But keep in mind, always consult your proper practitioner before prescribing this remedy. जी तो व्यूअर्स, ये थी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद है कि आपको पसंद आई होगी। अपने क्वेश्चंस, अपने कमेंट्स मुझे जरूर सेंड कीजिएगा। सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम। खुदा हाफिज। बाय।